Electric power is the backbone of modern society. It's virtually impossible to imagine any facet of our lives as separate from the uninterrupted flow of energy. Ensuring grid reliability, the consistent and uninterrupted distribution of power without outages or failures, has become the power generation industry's holy grail. But maintaining grid reliability is a pursuit fraught with challenges, complexities, and growing risks. Every year, the demand for more electricity increases. Populations increase, electrification expands, and renewable energy integration reshapes the grid. These pressures wear down on aging infrastructure already pushed to its limits. Mother Nature is no help either. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, wildfires, and ice storms further expose vulnerabilities, making grid failures not just a possibility, but an inevitability if decisive action isn't taken on time. What if you could replace chaotic reaction with confident, predictive maintenance? That's why at Ofil Systems, we've developed Gridnostic, the industry's first unified platform for facilitating grid reliability through image intelligence. To realize this vision, we needed a scalable foundation to manage inspection data, provide analytics, and support operations. This is where Scopito came in. Scopito's data management platform provided the foundation for Gridnostic. Their development team, led by CEO Ken Falk and VP of Sales Danny Feller, worked closely with us to full support for ultraviolet corona detection, thermal imaging, and visual inspections. By integrating Scopito's industry-leading inspection platform, Gridnostic enables asset visualization, centralizes visual, thermal, and UV data for analysis. Intelligent anomaly detection uses EPRI-based algorithms to detect anomalies, assign severity scores, and provide proactive insights to prevent failures before they occur. Built-in compatibility with ERP and asset management systems for streamlined collaboration. Through its highly intuitive interface, Gridnostic seamlessly integrates with other ERP platforms, enabling collaborative teamwork among all key decision makers across your organization. Gridnostic and Scopito redefines what's possible in grid reliability. The holy grail of uninterrupted power is now finally within reach.